Hello and welcome to Sprinkles and Magic with me, Abeer. Hello and welcome to Sprinkles and Magic. My name is Abeer. चॉकलेट के साथ बहुत अच्छे डिजर्ट्स बन सकते हैं, तो आज मैं आपको एक ऐसा डिजर्ट बनाना सिखाऊंगी जिसका नाम है क्लासिक क्रीम ट्राइफल। तो चलें फिर। क्लासिक क्रीम ट्राइफल को बनाने के लिए हमें ये चीजें चाहिए: plain cake cut into slices, 1 box of cream, chocolate sauce, nuts, chocolate powder and 4 teaspoons sugar. तैयार है? Let's go. इस मीठे की क्रीम इस तरह बनेगी. First we pour 1 box of cream into a bowl. Now we add 4 teaspoons of sugar. Now whip the cream well. Here's how you make the trifle itself. First we lay slices of plain cake at the bottom of the dish. Now we put half of the cream on top of the cake. Now we put the chocolate sauce. Now we add another layer of plain cake. Add the remaining cream and chocolate. Now we garnish with nuts, chocolate powder and chocolate sauce. Ta-da! And you're all done. We just made some yummy classic cream trifles, sprinkles and magic style. Here's an interesting food fact for you. The earliest trifle recipe was found in a book published in England in 1587. The name of the book was The Good Housewife's Jewel by Thomas Dawson. So even though trifle meant a little, it is such a big old recipe. Enjoy! Try making some classic cream trifle and let me know how you did. Enjoy yourself. Until next time, this is Abeer. Bye!
Never ever miss out on an update from ToffeeTV.com. Subscribe! Don't forget to ring the bell! ToffeeTV.com. For complete animated videos of songs and stories, subscribe to ToffeeTV.com today.